Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you can tell that Bitcoin around 44k has been consolidating and Dogecoin is still in a little bit of a positive trend. I mean, the price is up 5.5% while 64 million Dogecoin got moved to COINBASE. I mean, if you pay attention to what is happening to the trading volume, it's down significantly, but still over $1 billion. And you guys can see that Doge in space, Doge One announces a strategic partnership with the Doge radio. Now, this was a speculation yesterday, but it is being confirmed today. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button and become part of the Doge army. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm, push the video out to more people. More people can stay up to date with what is happening with the Doge market. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. All I'm going to say is we need to take the money away from the whales, so do not ever panic sell. And as you guys can see, from an unknown wallet to COINBASE, 64 million Doge, which is worth about 6.2 million US dollars considering the price right now. Now, what kind of transaction is this? Well, if you guys do not know, usually when there is a transaction that goes into, COINBASE, Binance, you talk about any of those exchanges, it's going to be sold. So be careful. There is a lot of whale activities which is causing a little bit of fluctuation in the market. I mean, if you have seen how the market is reacting right now, you can see it's a very positive trend. Now, Doge One makes a new alliance, has recently achieved a new milestone with the Poison to proposal its space mission forward. According to X post by the Dogecoin enthusiastic, Doge One Lunar has made a strategic alliance with Doge Radio, a decentralized communication and data transmission network. I mean, we all know that SpaceX is going to be having some sort of launch around the 12th of January. Now, that will be the launch which everyone has been anticipating for a while. Why? Because it is going to be named Doge One. Now, with that, there is going to be a partnership with Doge Radio, which is right now a decentralized communication. If this happens, let's just say everything is gearing up for something big. What I'm trying to say is all of this is going to make a huge difference to the overall Doge market and be able to help it push up, especially considering the fact that on Tesla website it mentions Dogecoin over 50 times around Cybertruck. If around the time when, the 12th of January we get some news that Cybertruck might be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment, let's just say that will make a huge difference. Now, Binance Web 3.0 wallet now finally supports Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and more. Now, you guys remember that I mentioned yesterday that Dogecoin was removed from the Binance wallet, but now they're finally adding the chain back in. I'm not talking about the coin, I'm actually talking about the network. And the network has been added back in. Before, you could only do it with the Binance Smart Chain, which was becoming a little bit harder for some people, because some people who accepted Dogecoin as a form of payment, they only accepted it on the network of Dogecoin. Now, let's talk about the trading volume. It has dropped, 35% today, but if we take a look from 2 days ago, the price has dropped quite significantly. I'm not just talking about the price, I'm talking about the trading volume price, as it was sitting close to 2.6 billion. Right now, it's still close to 1 billion. If you just try to understand that number, it will give you more perspective. It is the 11th most traded crypto in the world right now. And if you pay attention to how the whole market is reacting, we were closing in very close to Cardano, but just today the Cardano market is up about 18%. That's the only reason you notice a bigger gap between the market cap of Cardano and Dogecoin. Now, if we talk about the actual Dogecoin price, you guys can see yesterday, or just about 2 to 3 days ago, when the Dogecoin birthday was, we did actually make it close to 10.5. Right now we're sitting close to 9.8, which is quite good, but you need to understand that right now we have formed into a downtrend due to the fact that we broke below 9.5 for consecutive 5 hours. Now, for the trend to go back into positive, we just need to break the 10 cent again. If we're able to break above that, we will be able to use that as a support, and nothing will be slowing the Dogecoin price down from hitting the 16 cent mark. I completely understand that everyone wants to see the price just go up, but you need to also understand it's not possible. There has to be a little bit of consolidation for the price to keep climbing. Do I think it will be making it to 16 cents very soon? Well, personally, yes, I do think it will be making it to 16 cents before we actually end this year, but that's just my opinion. But you need to pay attention to what the top 100 wallets are doing. If you pay attention to this wallet, you guys can see that on the 6th and the 8th, they decided to sell close to $1.2 million worth of Doge. And you can see this person is just trying to get back into profit, as they did end up losing quite a hefty amount of money as they decide to sell as a slower portion. And another one we can talk about is this one, which is also sold about $1 million just in 2 days. So this gives you perspective. These people are just trying to get you to panic sell so they can make more profit. Analysts believe Dogecoin is about to go crazy. Now this is really interesting because notably 50,000 increase in the holding address over the past 30 days. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, there is a lot of new people or new investors are looking into Dogecoin. When new people start investing into something, that's when the price starts spiking very quickly. And seeing that SpaceX and Dogecoin's comic collaboration launching the Doge 1 to satellite is happening on the 12th of January, when that gets into the mainstream media, you guys know that will have a very positive impact on the price. Now Dogecoin turns 10. We celebrate by hitting 10 cents, but where do we go from here? Well, you just need to understand that right now we're closing in closer and closer to Christmas. We're not very far. Therefore, it just means that we're building up to something big, because a lot of people are going to be getting some Christmas money. Where will they put the money? The market, the best place to do it right now, because Bitcoin halving event is so close, is crypto. Now in crypto, what's something that grows very quickly? Dogecoin. Now you see what I'm going with. Now just keep in mind there might be another pullback. Just notice the fact that it is not possible for it to keep going up. Hey, Dogecoin user wallets and your data are not affected by yesterday's hack. According to the developer of MyDoge, still avoid links and DMs that have been posted by the account. The hack targeted users' Ethereum wallet, so if you interact with the scam website with MetaMask. So this is just my Doge, you know, it got hacked yesterday and there was a lot of problems around that, and a lot of people are not happy. Let's just say some people did actually end up losing quite a hefty amount of money. Now crypto analyst, everyone is saying the price is really bullish. You just need to be patient and the price will be really explosive very quickly. On the other end, Doge gains momentum and the sites are very near of hitting the 15 cent mark. Personally, I do not think that 15 cent mark will be the important barrier. Rather, the 16 cent is going to be the changing point of Dogecoin. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with crypto, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.